Hello, in this tutorial, we are going to see how to accept travel in Spark. On this page, you can see what requests are coming in for your chosen car. Here we get both ride and delivery. These settings can be edited in the garage section. To receive inquiries on this page, we need to turn on receive inquiries. Then we wait on this page for customers to register their requests. The number of request adds may vary depending on how much Spark is used in your area. We are waiting to receive a travel request. When a trip request is registered, it will be displayed to you like this. You can see the origin and destination of this trip on this map. Below the map, the origin and destination of the trip are written in more detail. Also, if the traveler has additional requests for the trip, you can see them here. The amount related to this trip can also be seen here. You can accept this trip by clicking the Accept option. On this page, you will see your route to the origin on the map. You can see the map better by dragging this form down. You can see the route more accurately by dragging on the map. At this stage, you drive to reach the starting point. Here there are options to contact the passenger and send them a message. After you reach your destination, you click the Arrived at Starting Point option to notify the passenger of your arrival. Then you wait for the passenger to find you, and then you click the Start Trip option. On this page, you will see the route you need to take to reach your destination. If you have to stop along the way at the request of a passenger, you can also record the time you stopped for the passenger by holding your finger on hold to start hold time. Then, when the stop is complete, hold your finger on this option again. After you have completed the route and reached your destination, you click the Arrived at the Destination option to end the trip. Here, you can view a short receipt of the trip by clicking More Details. Then you click Next. At this stage, you can rate your passenger if you wish, and if you have any comments about them, you can write them. Otherwise, you can click the Skip option. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the journey.